What's up, guys? It's JT Ballard coming at you with the bike check today. Start things off, I ride a United g-slat frame and a 21-inch top tube. I got the Shadow Voltus bars and a 9.5 rise, cut the 27 wide with ODI long nut grips and I think it's the Shadow Deadbolt bar ends. Shadow Chula stem with a Shadow stacked headset and the Shadow Captive forks set to 26mm offset. The bottom bracket is a Shadow stacked bottom bracket with Shadow Killer cranks and Odyssey JC PC pedals. The sprocket is a tempered anchor down sprocket and 28 tooth with a Shadow Supreme chain. Seat post is a Shadow post that I polished myself, wrought it out and polished it with a Demolition Hucker seat. The pegs are stolen silencer pegs. I have 4 of them all the way around, so I also ride 4 Shadow hub guards because I ride the Shadow Raptor in the front and a Shadow BTR in the rear. And those are laced up to Shadow Corvus rims, and the tires are Shadow Ballard tires and the 2.40 both front and rear. And yeah, so that's my bike check. Thanks, guys.